Repulse. Oh, the frequency is weak, but I can hear it